Lefty's spanner tonight.
There'll be a lot of dancing.
Lots of dancing. It's going to be a lot of fun. Bit of ska.
It's going to be all ska. And bit of drinking.
There's going to be a lot of drinking.
And, is that our food? That is not our food.
That's not our food.
Not
Someone
our
else's food.
A lot of running out of beer and me having to choose different beers.
Yeah, there'll be a bit of that. They ran out of Corona last time.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of the can of Corona.
Nah, Corona in bottles is better. But anyhow.
We'll get in there. There'll be no seats whatsoever. They'll off the seats already, and they'll stay there. They'll stay there for the whole night. What do you think?
Yeah, they'll take the couple of booths in there. They'll go pretty quickly. And yeah, no one's giving them up.
No one's giving up booths. There's not enough booths. How?
Beer before a band. Oh, and some beer and bourbon before a band. Cheers.
Well, as predicted, no seating inside. So where are we?
We're outside. In the smoking area.
Not smoking though. Drinking. One of
Yeah, mine's
us
down here.
is wearing the correct t-shirt.
Yeah, one of us might
One
be
of
wearing.
us, Dead City Ruins.
Hey, it's a band shirt.
And different beer. My next prediction is a lot of dancing. Then me getting told to ass off at the end of the gig because I haven't finished my lager. Me then going into the toilet, finishing my lager, getting me a bit of time. How about you?
Yeah, me telling security, yeah, I'm just waiting for her while she finishes in the loo.
Is that a little trick there? Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll let you know how it goes.
band will be on soon.
Yeah, we got here just
Just as a band.
the first band finished.
Yeah, perfect timing.
Yeah.
Anyhow, next band up shortly.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright, is everyone having a good time here tonight? Everybody having fun? Alright.
As you can see, one of us got the service. Also, both have, Brandon, show yours. Show yours. Change of clothing. Lots of sweaty dancing.
Lots of
Fathers. Lots of the hits. Lots of and the booth.
We've managed to get a booth at the end of the set. Security hasn't kicked us out yet, but they do have the fuck off lights on.